Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you some swatches and doing a mini review and tutorial using the Pur Cosmetics and Rawbeautykristi palette. This is a double-sided palette. One side has colorful eyeshadows and then the other side has more neutral tones. I'm super excited to do this video because Rawbeautykristi is one of my favorite YouTubers. So for today's look, I'm going to do something more fall-y. I'm starting off with the shade Camelot, which is a beautiful yellow, and this is the first time that I'm using Pur Cosmetics eyeshadow. So I started off very lightly and then I'm building the color up, and I have to say these shades are super pigmented, but they're really easy to work with. You know, when things are super pigmented, it's kind of harder to work with. You can kind of add too much color too fast. With these, they are beautiful, super easy to blend. So now I'm going to take the shade Copper Boxes and I'm going to build that up in the outer V and in the inner corner. I'm doing a halo look today. I love halo looks, and Rawbeautykristi also likes halo looks, so I was like, this is a perfect eyeshadow to do for my first one. So I'm just building that color up with my Sigma E25, as you can see here, and like I said, super easy to build up, super easy to blend. I am really liking the quality of these shades. I really wanted to try a shade on the colorful side, so I picked up Am I Orange and I put that in the outer V, in the crease, and also in the inner corner. I'm building up that halo effect, and I'm just super impressed with how vibrant these colors are, but then how easy it is to blend out, you know what I mean? It's great quality. These shades aren't too dry, they're not powdery, they don't sink into my wrinkles, you know? So yeah, overall, really, really great shades. I'm very, very impressed. So I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye. Now, the orange is super vibrant, as you can see, so I wanted to tone it down, which I'm gonna do in a couple seconds, just because I wanted this more like fall-y, not so bright. I'm gonna add just a little bit more brown to tone it down, and the way that these shades blend together, it's just amazing. So I picked up B and I'm putting that again in the outer V, in the inner corner, and in the crease, and just blending that out. And as you can see here, it's toning down the orange a little bit, but the orange is still there. You can totally see it peeking through. For the middle of my lid, I'm going to be taking the concealer I'm using for the day, which is the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, blending it out with my finger, and then I'm going to pick up Golden Ticket, which is the beautiful shimmery gold shade on the neutral side of the palette. That is going right in the middle of my eyelid. It is gorgeous. I thought the matte shades were beautiful. This shimmery shade is even more gorgeous. I love that there's a ton of mattes, but the shimmers are just so beautiful that I wish I had some more shimmers in this palette. But either way, I really like the way it turned out, of course, and as always, I blend out so that I don't have any harsh lines on my eyelids or anything like that. You guys know how important brow bone highlights are to me, so I'm taking My Whole Heart, which is the perfect brow bone highlight. It's a light cream. I'm putting that right underneath my eyebrow to highlight, but to also blend out the edges of my eyeshadow. And then I'm taking my same concealer, the Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm just going to conceal my under eyes and then also clean up my edges. As you can see here, this is my regular concealer routine. So I wanted to do a little wing today, so I'm using my favorite eyeliner. This is by Physicians Formula. It is the best, super easy to use. I'm just lining my upper lash line, and then, like I said, just giving myself a little bit of a wing. And then I'm going to set my concealer just so it's not creasy or anything like that. I set it with the Too Faced Ethereal setting powder, and then I'm going to add the wing and set my concealer on my other eye. I'm never in frame, so I skipped that. I put on some Ardell lashes, and then I took B, put it on the outer third of my lower lash line, and then I'm taking Camelot, blending B out so I have a nice kind of like smoky lower lash line, and then the look is complete, guys. I think this is a perfect fall look. I absolutely love this palette. It is definitely a go for me. I highly recommend it. They did actually say that they are restocking it, so check Pur's website. That's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.